Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily edit your best friend list on Snapchat. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Snapchat application on your device. Click on your profile icon and scroll below. Click on My Friends and at the top, click on any friend whom you want to change as a best friend. So recently, Snapchat has changed the feature to pin someone as BFF in their application as a premium feature. So to pin someone as your best friend, you need to buy the premium membership of Snapchat. Manually, what you can do is to make someone your best friend, you can simply send them snap back and forth each day and at a point you both will become best friend on each other's Snapchat. So that's it. That is how easily you can edit your best friend list on Snapchat. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.